Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to rearrange pages in Adobe Acrobat. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Acrobat Pro, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Rearranging pages in Adobe Acrobat Pro is a simple process that can be useful for a lot of reasons depending on your specific needs. So, once you are logged in to your Adobe Acrobat, or if you launch the application, I want you to click the section or option that says Combined Files. Because in this section right here, you see, there is an option here that says Reorder Pages. Rearrange pages in your PDF. If you click the drag and drop file here, you can use the computer to locate the files that you wanted, or go to the document section, wherein if you have like a recent file, just click that, or if you have like a storage account, click on it. Once you have selected the PDF, right, wait for it to load, select the page, and then drag and drop into the new location. All right, just wait for it to load, and then there should be an option here to says reorder. It's very easy, really. It'll take a little while to load depending on the complexity of your file size. All right, so in the pages panel right here, you'll be able to see all the thumbnails of all the pages in your PDF. Click and drag the page thumbnail to the desired location. For example, this one right here goes to this one right here. All right, and this one goes here. All right, you see that? Kind of like you arrange. I'm gonna make sure this is the first one. The second one, the third one is gonna be in the middle. Now, once you finalize that, all you're gonna do is release the mouse. You see, you have multiple options here. Once you have rearranged the pages, all right, you have an option to insert more pages, extract pages, and of course save it. All right, if you click on this button right here, selected all the 3 pages. If you want to delete that, just click the trash icon. You have an option to save. Now, in this section right here, you can rename this kind of like the file that you wanted. Now, click on save. Wait for it to load a little bit. It'll take a little while. It's saving your file, and Adobe Acrobat is doing all the work for you. Right? Once you've done that, the PDF is now ready. All right? The rearranged pages for you can now have an easier navigation, especially if the document will be viewed digitally with bookmarks or links. All right. And as you can see, you have rearranged the file into one single unit. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.